Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today is the day after Christmas. I made this cake, y'all. I love it. I had it 4th of July in Mississippi at my sister's husband's family's house, and his aunt made this cake, and oh my gosh, she's in her 80s, but she made this cake. It's called sour cream pound cake. Okay, I tried it yesterday and it was a disaster because I didn't follow the recipe. Okay, let me give you a tip. You got to follow the recipe to the letter. So I'm going to tell you the mistakes that I made when I was making this cake. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box, but I'm going to tell you the mistake I made. I didn't cook it on the temperature that the recipe called for. I baked the cake at 350 and I should have been baking it at 300 for 1.5 hours. Okay, that is the key to this cake. And the other key is follow the recipe to the T. And your cake is going to turn out like this one. So let's show you what I got. Look how delicious it looks. Now I'm going to pray that it comes out of this bundt pan intact. So we're going to try something, but I'm not going to do it on camera in case I get embarrassed. So hold on. Okay, guys, you ready? You ready? Let's see. Pick the wheel. Dun, dun, dun. Abracadabra. And I pray that it came out. OMG, it came out clean. It came out so clean. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm so proud of my cake. I cannot wait to slice it. I don't even think I'm gonna put icing on it because when I had it at her house, there was no icing and it was delicious. So we're gonna taste it as soon as it cools off. Okay? Okay, y'all, we ready to slice this cake? All right, let's do it. Okay. I'm so nervous, I don't know why. It's my first cake, sour cream cake. So I'm kind of nervous about it for some reason. But anyway, we're going to take a big slice out of this cake. Ooh, that looks so good. Look at that buttery goodness. That buttery, flaky, yummy goodness. Now we're going to taste it. Hey, let's get ready to taste. I cannot wait to dig in. I'm just going to pull a little piece off with my fingers and taste. Wow. That is some good stuff, y'all. For real. For real, for real. Piping hot goodness. Moist. Y'all gotta try this recipe to the T. Don't forget. Thank you for tuning to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, bon appetit. Yummy, yummy, good to eat. Try my cake. I have another piece. I'm speechless. Bye.